As you can see, here's the Renpho U Neck 2 shoulder neck massager. As you can see, similar packaging from Renpho. I love their nice blue packaging. And a bit more information about it on the back there, which we're going to go into shortly. But I personally love neck massages, so we're going to go through, explore what comes in the box. Just start by opening it up. Again, this is the first time I've opened up, guys, so you're seeing as I'm seeing it. And let's pull out what we've got here. So here's the box, here and here. So we'll see what comes in it. Okay, what do we have here? Well, firstly, we've got the neck massager, again, in the color black. First thoughts is you can feel the quality in the weight. You can feel where the massage heads here at the front, and it feels like a good quality. Actually, a lot better than another massage I previously did. You can feel the quality in the build. It feels really nice. You've also got the, to put over your neck as well, if you want to. You've got the charger as well. Nice long charge cable, about 19 inches, I believe. And you've got a USB-C. You've got a charger as well in case you want to charge in the car. But it's good it comes with an adapter to charge. And there's a bit more about the instruction guide. I'll come back out a bit. So let's go now have a look at the actual... So let's look at the actual massager itself. So you've got the kneading massagers here. So it's got 8 deep kneading shiatsu nodes. So one there, one there, one there. You can see through that. They're the ones that turn to give you the massage. At the front here, you've got the actual part where the motor sits in there. So this will sit over your neck, and that goes in there. Over here, you've got where it actually pulls down over your shoulders. So you can sit this over your shoulders, or over your neck, or over your upper back. We'll show you shortly how to do that. But you've also got these parts here now. It feels like a really nice material, possibly a leatherette, they've called it. You've got the breathable mesh there as well, so it won't get too much, it won't sweat too much, or won't sweat at all actually. But it feels, as I said, really very comfortable and quality build as well. So you can actually hold it when you pull it down. Let's now go and turn it on. And the great thing is because of the long lead as well, you don't have to worry about it being too close to the power point. So here is the controls. Start with this, turn it on by pressing the button. Now straight away you can see those shiatsu massage heads coming through. So there's 4 in each, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you go right up to the light, see it just there. So you see how they're working along. Now they feel, there's a gap in between them, and they feel really good. Nice big massage heads, as you can see them there. Let's go have a look though, let's change the speed up a bit. So you can change the direction. I'm going to show you, put that there so you can see it by pressing that. So it reverses around. Now we can also increase the intensity level. So slow, that's medium, fast, and then medium. So essentially this just changes how much it moves. So if you want to go fast, you get much more of a heavy massage there. And here is where you add the heat. So you can turn the heating button on, you can turn the heating button off as well. So there you go, just there. But again, a very nice, very nice shiatsu massage. Feels very, very quality, very plush. This feels like it almost feels like leather as well. You got cushions in there. It really is very, very beautiful.